Hello everyone, I am Parag Karanjekar from Section 8, Rule number 21IE10021. In this video, I will be disassembling this CPU. First of all, I will show you that this CPU is in working condition. So, I'm turning it on. As you can see, the light in the power button has glown up. That shows that this CPU is in working condition. Now let us disassemble it. The hard disk that stores all the data in the computer. This is the motherboard. This is actually not the motherboard from the CPU. I had this one extra, so I kept it here to explain this. This is the slot where the CPU chip is actually fitted. It is fitted like this. Here all the pins are to be matched in the CPU chip here. This is a PCIe slot where the graphics card is placed. This is the PCIe Express slot where the Wi-Fi card is placed. These are the two slots where RAM is placed. This is a graphics card. This graphics card has a heatsink. This heatsink increases the area of the metal surface that helps to cool it faster. This is a Wi-Fi card, and this is the antenna of this Wi-Fi card through which it sends and receives the signals. These are the two RAM sticks. In this particular computer, there were 2 RAM sticks, but a computer can also have 1 or 4 RAM sticks. This is a cooler fan that cools the CPU and increases the airflow in the CPU. This is the actual CPU which I had disassembled. This is the fan that cools the CPU processor. This also has a heatsink that increases the surface area, hence increasing the efficiency of the cooling. This is a 24-pin wired slot. It brings the power from this SMPS to the motherboard. This is a SMPS that converts all the AC power to DC power and also prevents the fluctuations in the current. This is a DVD writer. I could not remove it because of some screws that were not possible to reach with this equipments. In the back side of the CPU, this is a IO ports. These are all the IO ports through which input and output can be taken or sent to the CPU. Now I will be assembling it again. I have assembled this CPU again. Now let me turn it on to show you that this still works. As you can see, the LED in the power button is glowing. That shows that the CPU is still working. Thank you.